Where we left off, I had most of this cut away, had less than this cut away. I have sprayed some rust converter stuff, and then this has just got some weld through primer on it at the moment. I did put a small piece in here, and I still need to put a piece in here to match. And I cut this further back because it was really rusty. This was this piece here, was at this end, and as you can see it rusted quite a way back, and it actually at the bottom here went further back. So I need to replace it. That's the inner side. This pipe here, that is on the convertibles only, I believe, to give you extra strength. So I've just extended that to the same place. If you look up here, yeah, you can see up here. Okay, so that obviously means that we need to, we've got this bit we got to replace. Again, that doesn't go to the end, doesn't match this end piece. Obviously we've got to make a new end piece as well, but that comes down to here. We've then got to replace all of that. There is a seam here, or a bead. There's a bead there and a bead there, and there was actually, just like this piece here, right in here, that bead there was another piece here. So got to come up with got to make something similar to that. Okay, so this is what I came up with. Put the bead in here and the bead in here, just like just using the vise and a chisel. As you can see, the chisel marks in here. I must bite the bullet and buy myself a bead roller. And then we had to put this indent here, as you can see here. So effectively, once that goes in, there is a channel here. So yeah, that was just, fair amount of effort to get the shape right, and it is a bit long in this direction, but that's fine. We can just cut it to length once it's in there. So here's that plate welded in. It's butt welded, or at the moment it's just tack welded, but it's effectively butt welded on. I drilled some holes at the bottom here so I can plug weld that in, and then we'll just trim off the edge to match. And then we've got to make this outer piece. Obviously it needs a lip and everything on this end, so much more of a challenge. But yeah, I'll just get in and weld up the rest of this, and then we'll clean it up afterwards, and then we'll start on the next one. Okay, so I've ground that back a bit. Obviously there's you can grind it back more, but at this point nobody's ever going to see it unless they cut it open again. But I know it's not as tidy as it could be, but the main thing is I don't want to cut away any of the strength. That's the main point of doing this, is the strength. So we've cleaned it all up. We'll give it a spray of primer, or weld through primer, and get on with the next piece. Now, I never seem to get any comments, so if you think I've ballsed it up and I'm now going to have to cut it all out again, that'd be a nightmare for me. So don't hold back if that's what you think I need to do. But hopefully we'll get some positive feedback, and we can carry on. Thanks very much. Bye.